Welcome, in front of me is POCO F7 and in this video I will show you what to do if you can't pick the right pattern to access your device. In such case, the best thing to do is to take your time and try to remember the pattern that you used the last time that worked for you. Maybe give it a couple of tries. Now if you have fingerprint lock or face unlock selected, you can unlock your phone this way. Unless you can't, then and you can't remember the pattern, then the other best option would be to contact the Xiaomi Customer Support service. Tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, they will most likely help you solve your issue. And if this doesn't help you either, then you can perform a factory reset operation, which will erase all data from your phone, but it will also let you regain access to it once again. Now to do this, you can either use the Find My Device feature. If you have Google account connected to your phone and you didn't disable Find My Device feature manually, then you can access the Find Hub service, which is a website on Google, so you can look it up using any of your other devices. Just log in there using the Google account that is connected to this smartphone, and once you're logged in, select the phone on the list and select Factory Reset in order to erase all data from your phone. And once the data is erased, just set up your phone once again. Now to do this locally, you can use the recovery mode feature, and if you don't know how to use the recovery mode or you need some help on your way, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out, and I hope that this video helps you, and if you did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.